is Tanya, and welcome to Risk Management Theory and Practice. Today's lesson will focus on operations management risk in the manufacturing industry. According to Brian W. Nacco of Nationwide Insurance and Renee M. Stoltz of Ohio State University, a corporation can either manage risk one risk at a time and on a largely compartmentalized and decentralized basis, or view all risks together within a coordinated and strategic framework. A company can carry out its strategic plan when its business managers consistently and systematically measure and manage which risks to retain and which to eliminate. The macro or broad benefits of risk management include conducting a SWOT analysis. This means the company should analyze its strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats internally and externally, focusing on its competitors. After conducting a SWOT analysis, a company should be able to define its strategic and business risks using the principle of comparative advantage. What is comparative advantage? It's the ability of a firm or individual to produce goods and or services at a lower opportunity cost than other firms or individuals. A comparative advantage gives a company the ability to sell goods and services at a lower price than its competitors and realize stronger sales margins. Once management has decided that the firm has a comparative advantage in taking certain business risks, it should use risk management to help the firm make the most of this advantage. The micro or detailed benefits of risk management entail spreading the risk ownership throughout the company. For an inventory of risk to be useful, the information possessed by the people within the organization must be collected, made comparable, and continuously updated. The goal is to identify all important risks, quantify them using a consistent approach, and then aggregate individual risk exposures across the entire organization to produce a firm-wide risk profile. In the manufacturing industry, one way to manage and assess risk is to update technology to replace some of the current workforce, increase quality control and assurance, and identify defects and bottlenecks while simultaneously reducing waste for a smooth production process. An example of risk management practice is Reardon Manufacturing's technology upgrade that will revive its supply chain process, increase its bottom line and competitive advantage, while simultaneously increasing organizational capacity, performance, and productivity. The new process design will improve production efficiencies and simplify processes via departmental coordination and customer input. Here is a Gantt chart that shows Reardon Manufacturing's new process design task schedule. First, an implementation team will be put together. Then, the materials resource planning software will be implemented. Next, time has been allotted for identifying the constraints, such as the bottlenecks, poor production quality, and equipment failure. Then there's an implementation period allocated for using the new technology. Lastly, time has been allotted for quality control and quality assurance maintenance. Each of these tasks overlaps to ensure a smooth production process. So in conclusion, Reardon Manufacturing's new process design will use technology to increase quality control and quality assurance, inventory management, and supply chain management. So it's very important to determine the right amount of risk to optimize comparative advantage, and one effective way of accomplishing this goal is to spread the risk ownership throughout the company by tying performance evaluations to each business unit's macro and micro risk management contributions. This bridges the risk management gap from theory to practice. Thank you for reviewing today's lesson on risk management theory and practice.